Hello and welcome. Today, we'll explore a time-tested practice for men's circulation, strength, and vitality, a gentle self-massage rooted in traditional medicine. This isn't about miracle cures or risky treatments. It's about understanding how your body's natural systems, circulation, muscle tone, and nerve balance work together to keep you feeling alive, strong, and confident. Many men notice changes in energy and recovery after 50. That's natural. Circulation slows, muscles stiffen, and stress builds tension in areas like the hips, lower back, and abdomen. This tension limits blood flow, oxygen delivery, and even posture. Traditional wellness systems discovered that gently stimulating certain body areas through pressure, breathing, and awareness can reawaken natural balance. This approach, called circulation therapy or vital energy massage, combines light pressure, circular motion, and mindful breathing to encourage relaxation and oxygen flow. Think of it as teaching your body to breathe again through every muscle and vessel. Let's start with awareness. Before any physical technique, tune into your body. Notice where tension sits in your lower back, hips, or shoulders. Awareness alone begins to relax the nervous system and shift your body into a healing state. Next, focus on breathing. Slow, deep breathing stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for rest and recovery. When breathing slows, your heart rate follows and blood vessels expand, improving oxygen flow and making massage more effective. Now, let's discuss the ancient philosophy behind pressure points. Traditional medicine teaches that the body has zones of high energy concentration where nerves, blood vessels, and muscles intersect. Gently pressing or massaging these zones sends signals to the brain, regulating circulation and relieving muscular tension. Modern science supports this. Light pressure activates mechanoreceptors, releasing nitric oxide to relax blood vessels. As blood vessels relax, oxygen and nutrients flow freely. This massage is a natural method to restore rhythm and flow in your circulatory system. You don't need advanced equipment. Just a comfortable place, a few minutes, and natural oil to reduce friction. The goal isn't intensity, it's consistency. Gentle daily practice brings better results than one intense session. When choosing an oil, select one that nourishes the skin and supports relaxation. Castor oil, known for its warmth and detoxifying qualities. Coconut oil, light and cooling, ideal for sensitive skin. Black seed oil, used for centuries in Middle Eastern medicine to soothe inflammation. Olive oil, rich in antioxidants and gentle for daily use. Sweet almond oil, smooth and deeply moisturizing. These oils make massage easier, helping your hands glide smoothly, preventing strain and enhancing warmth and grounding. Start by warming the oil slightly between your palms. As you do this, take a slow, deep breath. The warmth in your hands will help the body relax even before you begin. Then, apply gentle pressure to broad muscle areas, your thighs, lower abdomen, hips, and back. Always move in circular or upward motions, following the direction of blood flow toward the heart. If you find any tight spots, pause, breathe, and let your body soften under your hands. You're inviting the muscle to relax, not forcing it. Each stroke teaches your body it's safe to release tension. After just a few minutes, you'll notice your breathing deepening naturally. That's the sign your parasympathetic system has taken over, your body's signal that healing has begun. Over time, this practice improves posture, reduces muscle fatigue, and enhances your overall sense of stability. Men who make this part of their daily self-care often report clearer focus, better sleep, and renewed confidence. Remember, this isn't about chasing quick results. It's about building a relationship with your body, one that values patience, respect, and awareness. In ancient cultures, this daily massage was viewed as an act of gratitude, not performance. It was a reminder that strength comes from alignment, from the cooperation of mind, breath, and movement. In the next segment, we'll explore how to safely incorporate acupressure principles, avoid common mistakes, and create your own daily ritual using natural oils, breathing, and mindfulness to maintain vitality well into your later years.
Welcome back. We'll explore a safe self-massage routine to improve circulation, release tension, and support vitality, especially for men over 50. We'll focus on three areas: preparation and posture, safe acupressure principles for general circulation, and building a daily ritual with oils, breathing, and mindfulness. Let's begin with preparation. Before any massage, create an environment of calm and comfort. Find a quiet, well-ventilated space. Sit on a firm chair or lie on a mat, whichever feels most natural. Begin with a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds, pause, and exhale gently for 6 seconds. This breathing activates relaxation and makes muscles receptive to touch. Now, posture. Keep your spine straight but not rigid. Imagine a balanced, relaxed line from head to tailbone. Good posture supports comfort and blood flow. Next, acupressure for general circulation. Traditional medicine highlights accessible points for relaxation and circulation. We'll focus on safe, neutral zones that are easy to locate and beneficial. The soles of the feet, massage with slow, circular motions and moderate pressure for 1 to 2 minutes per foot to relax the nervous system. This refreshes tired legs and stabilizes blood flow. The lower back and hips. Tension here restricts circulation. Place hands on hips, using palms for slow, circular strokes outward and upward. Gentle warmth will build as blood returns. The shoulders and upper back store stress. Use fingertips or a massage tool for light kneading, then long, downward strokes. This encourages neck relaxation and deeper breathing. Always massage toward the heart. This follows natural blood flow, supporting venous return. Avoid pressing too hard. Aim for stimulation, not strain. A full body session takes 15 to 20 minutes, but even 5 minutes daily on 1 or 2 areas makes a difference. Now, enhance the experience with natural oils. Choose based on preference and skin type. Castor oil creates warmth for muscle relaxation. Coconut oil is cooling, ideal for warmer climates. Olive oil provides a neutral balance and smooth glide. Black seed oil offers antioxidant properties when used sparingly. Sweet almond oil offers a soothing aroma. Warm a small amount between your palms before applying. As you warm the oil, take a deep breath. Feel your hands soften and body relax before the massage. Apply oil with gentle circles or sweeping motions. Keep breathing slow and steady. Inhale as hands move, exhale as pressure releases. This synchronizes touch with breath, helping your body find its natural pace. Notice subtle sensations like warmth or tingling. These indicate increased blood flow and relaxation. If an area is sore, lighten pressure and breathe into it. With time, stiffness yields to suppleness. Incorporate mindfulness as you continue this practice. Bring your attention to the present moment. Notice the oil's texture, skin temperature, and breath. This awareness transforms massage into meditation. Mindful self-care calms the nervous system and resets from stress. Men who adopt this routine often report better sleep, steadier mood, and renewed control over their well-being. Now, let's discuss common mistakes and safety guidelines. Never use deep or forceful pressure on sensitive areas. Avoid massaging over recent injuries, varicose veins, or inflamed skin. Stay hydrated before and after each session. If you have chronic pain or circulation problems, consult a healthcare provider before starting a massage routine. Consistency matters more than intensity. Even 1 minute of gentle self-massage is more effective than infrequent, forceful sessions. Here's how to structure your daily ritual. Morning. Begin with 3 deep breaths. Apply light oil to your legs and lower back. Massage for 5 minutes to stimulate circulation before breakfast. Afternoon or evening, stretch shoulders and breathe deeply. Massage hands and forearms for 5 minutes to release daily tension. Night. End with a calming routine, warm oil on feet, circular motions, and slow exhalations. This signals rest mode, supporting deeper sleep. Regular practice maintains healthy circulation, muscle relaxation, and emotional balance. In ancient traditions, such routines were not luxuries. They symbolized respect for the body and gratitude for its energy. Science now supports these ancient teachings. Touch, breath, and awareness reduce stress, enhance blood flow, and restore equilibrium. As you complete this segment, reflect. Every day offers a chance to reconnect with your body, breathe, and restore vitality. You don't need expensive tools, just time, intention, and care. Consistent practice helps your body heal itself. This isn't magic, it's biology working with your nature. Thank you for joining this program. Continue with patience and dedication. Let each day's routine remind you that vitality grows through awareness, movement, and mindful care.